Do you know that you can turn your WhatsApp into a daily money making machine? Yes, that same WhatsApp you use to chat with your friends, you can actually start making serious money if you know what you are doing. As you can see, this is how I get message on WhatsApp every day regarding what I'm selling. And this message is converted to money after every successful sale. In this video, I'll be showing you guys 5 real ways you can make money using just your WhatsApp. Zero scam, no magic, just practical business strategies that are already working in 2025. This method works even if you're a beginner in the online space, and personally, I've used them and they actually worked for me. So now, before I go ahead and show you guys these 5 methods, if you are new on this channel, my name is Charles Chinoso, and right on this channel, I talk about ways you can make money online, how-to tutorials, and ways to grow on YouTube. So if this is your first time on this channel, kindly like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Now let's get started. So in 2025, WhatsApp is no longer just a messaging app. Smart people are now using WhatsApp to build businesses, generate sales, and even earn daily online. So whether you're a student trying to make an extra cash, or you are someone with a 9 to 5 job looking for a side hustle, or you are fully ready to start a business with your phone, WhatsApp can be your starting point. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 proven ways you can make money on WhatsApp. This method does not require each capital. You can start right where you are, even with what you have. So if you're ready to stop scrolling and start earning, then you want to keep watching because by the end of this video, you would have learned exactly how to turn your WhatsApp into a business. Are you ready, guys? Awesome. If you are considering making money through your WhatsApp, the very first business model you should consider is e-commerce. E-commerce. This one is one very profitable business model that anyone can start with just their WhatsApp. E-commerce simply means you selling physical products online. And guess what? You can sell directly on your WhatsApp without even needing a website. If you would like to try this business model, here are some steps you must follow. Start by picking a product that people need. Just go ahead and find out what is that hot selling product at the moment. So discovering an hot selling product can actually help you make a lot of sales easily. It could be perfumes, it could be kitchen tools, waist trainers, even gadgets. So the next thing is you go ahead and buy a few units of those products or in bulk, depending on your purchasing power. And afterward, you start posting clear pictures or videos of those products on your WhatsApp status. Then you attend to others and start earning. So if you don't have people that you can sell to on your WhatsApp, you can consider running WhatsApp messaging ads. This alone can help you attract a lot of people that are interested in buying what you're selling. And before you know it, you're already making a lot of money on WhatsApp. So if you don't know what WhatsApp messaging ad is, this is a kind of Facebook ad whereby you get to run traffic from Facebook to your WhatsApp. And if you'd like to learn how to run such kind of ad, I already drop a link in the description so that you can learn how to run such ad. Do you understand? It's just very simple. Just watch that tutorial and you get to learn how to run WhatsApp messaging ads. Alright, here's a few tips for you. Turn your personal WhatsApp into a shop by using WhatsApp Business. WhatsApp Business gives you the privilege to create product catalogs, auto replies, and even labels to track orders. So don't sleep on WhatsApp Business, guys. If you're actually using WhatsApp at the moment, go ahead and download WhatsApp Business and switch to it. Alright, so let's move on to the second business model which you can start if you want to make money on WhatsApp. So this particular one is similar to the first one, just a little difference. So the business model is called dropshipping. Dropshipping. Now this particular one is for those that don't have money to buy products. You know the first one requires you buying products. It requires you spending money to stock products. With dropshipping, you can still make money selling physical products even if you don't stock any products. Now here's how it works. You will need to find a supplier that sells a physical product. Then you go ahead and make a deal with that supplier on any sales you bring. Now, go ahead and start promoting the product on your WhatsApp status. And if someone should order and pay you, then you forward that order to the supplier. And the supplier delivers to the customer on your behalf while you keep the profit. Are you seeing that? This is an example, guys. Let's assume you actually got a product you want to sell from a supplier and this product costs 10,000 naira. Then what you do is you list that product for 15,000 naira, and once you get an order, you collect 15,000 naira, send 10,000 to the supplier, and the supplier delivers the product on your behalf. So in this business model, you are in charge of detecting what profits you actually make. You get to control the profit you make in this business model. No stocking of products, no risk involved, all with just your WhatsApp, and you're already making money every day. So you see that there's money out there, right? Awesome. So if you're interested in selling kitchen appliances, I'll be dropping a supplier's link in the video description so that you can be added to a dropshipping group. I guess you're happy, right? Awesome. So let's make money, guys. You know I always have your best interest at art. Alright, so let's make money. So let's proceed to the third business model through which you can make money on WhatsApp. This third business model is called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. Now, this one is a very popular business model and is one of the ways I actually make money myself. It's one of the ways I make money on WhatsApp every day. So, affiliate marketing means you promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale you generate. Here's how it works. If you want to do affiliate marketing, you will need to sign up an affiliate platform like Seller, or you can sign up with Amazon if you are located in US or UK or any European country. Then go ahead and get your unique affiliate link from the marketplace. Every affiliate platform usually have a marketplace. So go ahead and get your unique link from the marketplace. Then start sharing valuable content about your products on your WhatsApp. Start promoting your product on your WhatsApp. And when someone buys through your link, you get to earn a commission. That's just how it works. Very simple. But then if you want a more detailed video, a more detailed tutorial about how affiliate marketing works, you can check the video description where I discussed how affiliate marketing works in detail. Alright, I don't want this video to get too long, so just go ahead and check the video description for a more detailed video. Alright, so let's proceed to the fourth way you can start earning daily on WhatsApp. So this particular one works crazy if you are in a student environment. This business model is you running a WhatsApp TV. So a WhatsApp TV is just like when you are running a mini media channel on WhatsApp. Here's how it works, guys. So just grow your WhatsApp audience to, let's say, you getting about 1,000 views on WhatsApp, or 2,000 views, or even as much as 4,000 views. Then you start posting trending content regularly to engage and entertain your viewers. It could be gossips, it could be news, it could be entertainment, even football. Do you understand? Then you now reach out to business owners that they should pay you to promote their product on your status. Are you getting the scope? Once you are able to accumulate a lot of views on WhatsApp, you reach out to business owner that they should pay you, that you have a lot of audience that are interested in what they are selling. And once these people pay you, then you start earning immediately. And the good thing about this business is that if you're able to build your brand, if you're able to build a proper brand around this business model, you see business owners reaching out to you that they want to reach out to your audience. They want to get customers from your audience. People actually charge as high as 5,000 naira to 20,000 naira per advertisement doing this business model. It all depends on the number of views you have on your WhatsApp status, the number of views your posts get on your WhatsApp status. So now I guess you understand that properly, right? Awesome. So start building your audience if you are a student. It actually works if you are not a student also, but it works like crazy if you are a student. So start building your audience so that you can start monetizing your WhatsApp. Alright, so let's proceed to the last way you can make money on WhatsApp. The last way you can start making money on WhatsApp. So this particular one is by selling physical products. You want to ask yourself, what skills do I have? When I say skills, I mean what vocational skills do you have currently? So do you have your own products, whether handmade or bought, like whether you bought it or handmade products? So WhatsApp is the best place you can start selling if you have your own products. Here are some hot product ideas you can start making and start getting a lot of sales. You can start making shoes, bags and perfumes. You can start making food, snacks and drinks, even skincare products, hair products, or even handcrafted items. These are hot products you can start making to own your own products and start making sales. With this kind of products, you keep 100% profit for yourself. All you need is just production, and you start posting them on your WhatsApp status and start making sales. So for you to make a lot of sales with this kind of business, you need to use clear and attractive pictures. You need to create scarcity, like let people know that this thing is a limited product. Like if they don't get it now, they miss. Do you understand? Aside using your WhatsApp status, you want to also use broadcast lists. You want to create a broadcast list of your potential customers and always send a message to them about new arrivals, about your products, and new updates. You want to offer delivery options to your prospects. If your prospect says they want doorstep delivery, you should be able to offer that to them. And also, you want to always show proof. You want to always show testimonies of people that bought from you. This could be in form of photos, it could be in form of reviews, or even videos. Hope you get the point. So these are ways you can actually make more money if you are into selling physical products. So all in all, you want to learn how to run WhatsApp messaging ads. Peradventure, you don't know who you can sell to, or you have just few people on your WhatsApp contacts. You want to learn how to run WhatsApp messaging ads so that you can get to attract a lot of people from Facebook to your WhatsApp, people that are ready to buy what you're selling to your WhatsApp. Alright, so now you have it. These are the 5 powerful ways you can start making money on WhatsApp daily. So whether you're a student, or you're a stay-at-home mom, or you are someone just looking for an extra income, this method can change the game if you take action. Alright, so which of these methods do you want to try first? Let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to create a full video on that method or on that business model, just go ahead and drop it in the comment section. Drop that business model in the comment section and I'll make a video specially for you. So if you got value from this video, if you got value watching this video, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this tutorial with someone that needs it today. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.